One thing I've realized, Shashank, even if you're the worst mutual fund investor, you still get 13%, 12% return. यार, you know what more do you want? मतलब म्यूचुअल फंड एक ऐसा व्हीकल है, मैंने देखा है, आप कितनी भी गलती कर लो, खाली एक गलती मत करना कि आप निकल मत जाना वहां से. Otherwise you end up choosing the worst performing fund. You'll still make 12, 13, 14% kind of return. And I want to just show you a few data points.
Yeah,
I think
please
that will really convince our investors. This is one data point. This is a 10,000 SIP made over 25 years.
10,000. Okay.
Okay, 25 years. The best performing fund में आपने 10,000 डाला 25 years के लिए, तो एक साल में 1,20,000, 25 साल में 30 lakhs. The best performing fund, your portfolio became 8.5 crores.
Okay. Wow.
Best performing fund, and I just for our example, this is Nippon India Growth Fund. It's not a recommendation. That fund XIR was 22%. Class. Out of 30 funds, number one. Nobody will have this fund because it's random. The worst performing fund over a 25-year period, in this case, happens to be LIC Flexi Cap Fund. That 30 lakhs has still become 1.38 crores.
Still gone up.
And what is the XIR? 10.71% return.
The worst
performing
is
fund.
also at 10.
ये भी किसी के पास नहीं होएगा. Now I'm coming to the middle. So worst was 10.71 XIR, best was 21.84 XIR. None of us would have ever this. These are extreme cases. The middle of the pack, median is 17.1.
That's great.
XIR. And your 30 lakhs has become 4 crores rupees plus.
That's not bad at all.
It's not bad. So your
That's
worst
great.
performing fund SIP has given you 17. My worst performing lump sum for the last 13 years has given me 13% CAGR. FD का डबल. लोग 10-10 साल FD में रखते हैं और यहाँ नहीं रख सकते हैं. यहाँ 3 साल में उनको भागना होता है कि अगर रिटर्न नहीं आ रहा है. और मैंने 13 साल रखा है. मुझे मालूम है ये सबसे खराब है तो भी 13 है. और मुझे आज भी मालूम है कि this 13 will go to 16, 17. I'm just waiting. I'm just buying my time आराम से.